How's it, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So here's a new one from Team Kenni. It's called Karate Sound Effects. Hopefully it's gonna drop soon. And here's a verse from Papanakhla. Check it out.
Of course, too nice, net sauce, and that's about two sweet. Vamos a hacer mucho sosne. When I said karate, sound effects, para bing bing bang, para wing wing wang. There's a bit of suspect, there's a bit of suspect. Make karate sound effects, push me up with this, para bing bing bang, wing wang, ching ching chang, ching ching chang.
Wing Wang Ching Chang. Ow. Okay. Okay, team. Look like Team Kenni will take over the fest of the season. Already dropped a new album, and Golden Gate's just smashing the hits and the views on YouTube. That's the festive anthem. Yeah, we look forward to this one being released. Peace out.